Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with Apple, which redefines the future. iOS 26 unveils stunning liquid glass UI for 2027 iPhones at WWDC 2025. Sundar Pichai hints at AI-powered Google CEO in future. Perplexity AI CEO slams Google over AI assistant rollout. Satya Nadella reveals the key skill to survive in an AI-driven job market. Microsoft Copilot adds shopping with built-in checkout. NASA and ISRO collaborated on space study with Axiom 4 mission. And finally, about Bill Atkinson, visionary behind Apple's first UI. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of FTP. The answer is File Transfer Protocol. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. How many Indian languages does the Bharat Gen AI model support? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with the news section, all eyes are now on the Apple as it prepares for WWDC 2025 and the stakes couldn't be higher. After a year marked by Siri's underwhelming AI performance, Apple is facing increased scrutiny to prove that it is still in innovation. Despite Apple's focus on privacy and ecosystem control, critics argue that Siri has significantly fallen behind ChatGPT, Copilot, and even Meta's AI tools in performance, creativity, and contextual understanding. This suggests that Apple might finally introduce a reimagined AI model during WWDC, one that works across iPhones, Mac, and Vision Pro. Apple is reportedly working on a next-generation user interface called Liquid Glass for iOS 26, expected to debut with iPhone 2027 lineup. So according to tech journalist Mark Gurman, the redesign will be significant visual upgrade and could bring a 3D-like appearance, fluid transitions, and a dynamic depth, making it the most aesthetic leap in iOS since iOS 7. Internally, Apple is said to be testing a new version of widgets, dynamic icons, and interface elements that respond in real time to finger movement, gaze detection, and even spatial audio cues. Now, in a fascinating reveal, Sundar Pichai has suggested that the next CEO of Google may not be alone in decision making. They might have an extraordinary AI companion. Speaking at a recent internal leadership meet, Pichai hinted that Google's future leadership may deeply integrate AI at an executive level, potentially even co-managing key operations. So while not implying a literal AI CEO, the statement reflects Google's vision of embedding AI into the core of strategic decision making. With the rapid rise of Gemini and other foundational models, Google envisions a future where AI can assist in executive choices, policy guidance, and product design with human oversight. So this vision aligns with Alphabet's broader aim of responsible AI governance, one where AI does not replace but empowers leadership. As AI governance and ethics take center stage, such ideas challenge traditional notions of human-only leadership in the corporations. So whether this is symbolic or a concrete plan, it is clear that Google is preparing for a future where AI is not just a tool but a boardroom companion. In a bold move that's creating waves in the AI world, Perplexity AI CEO Arvind Srinivas has criticized Google for its approach in rolling out AI-powered assistant, suggesting that the tech giant is prioritizing product launches over real user value. So according to Srinivas, Google's strategy focuses too much on a flashy rollout and not enough on sustainable utility for users. The remark comes at a time when AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, and Copilot are already gaining strong market traction. Perplexity AI, often seen as a challenger to Google search, has positioned itself as a minimalist, accurate, and fast source of information. Srinivas emphasized that while Perplexity's product may not be viral in a traditional sense, its retention and depth of use indicates serious user trust. This adds fuel to the ongoing debate around how tech giants should balance innovation and responsibility when it comes to deploying large language models to millions. In a recent interview, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella revealed what he believes is the single most important skill to succeed in the AI-dominated job market, and it's not coding. According to Nadella, it's empathy. He believes that as machines become better at performing routine tasks, human-centric skills like emotional intelligence, collaboration, adaptability, they are irreplaceable. Nadella stressed that AI should be viewed as an assistant rather than a threat, and that future belongs to those who can build and manage meaningful human relationships in both tech and non-tech roles. He added that creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to ask the right questions will be more valuable than memorizing technical jargon. So, as AI tools become more democratized, especially through the platforms like GitHub Copilot, the barrier to entry for technical skills is dropping. But what will set professionals apart is their ability to lead with compassion and purpose. For students and job seekers, this message could be the compass they need to thrive in a world where human values complement this machine intelligence. Microsoft's Copilot is stepping into the world of online shopping with a powerful new feature, which is native checkout. The AI assistant will now allow users to search for products and purchase them without leaving the Copilot interface. This is a direct move to challenge AI shopping tools from companies like Amazon and Google. Users can now find recommendations, compare products, and complete purchase all within the Copilot environment. Microsoft is working with the third-party platforms and integrating seamless payment options for select US-based retailers. So initially, with the global expansion, which is expected later this year. So this AI-driven approach brings convenience to users and leverages Copilot's contextual capabilities to suggest personalized shopping options. Analysts suggest this could be the major shift in how users interact with e-commerce platforms, removing the friction between discovery and conversion. With this update, Microsoft is making a strong case for Copilot as more than just a productivity assistant. It is evolving into a versatile AI concierge. In a landmark collaboration, NASA and ISRO they are working together as a part of Axiom 4 mission, which will send 4 astronauts into the space to study how microgravity affects this biological system. What makes this mission stand out is its focus on tardigrades, algae, seeds, and human muscles, providing critical insights into how living organisms adapt to the harsh environment of space. Scheduled for launch later this year, the mission will carry biological payloads jointly developed by Indian and American scientists. Axiom 4 is a part of a growing wave of commercial space missions that bring together the public agencies and private players. Mission will use the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft and stay aboard the ISS for approximately 14 days. According to experts, understanding how muscle tissue and microscopic life behave in the space, this could unlock new frontiers in medicine and agriculture, both in space and on Earth. With India's rising prominence in space tech and ISRO's recent Chandrayaan success, this partnership signals a new era of global collaboration. Watch out for more as this mission launches India into the next phase of deep space science. Not the least, in a solemn moment for tech community, Bill Atkinson, the legendary designer behind the original Macintosh graphical user interface, has passed away at the age of 74. Atkinson was Apple's employee number 51 and played a key role in the creation of Mac Paint, Quick Draw, and the look and feel of the original GUI, an innovation that changed how we interact with computers forever. His contributions helped Steve Jobs realize the vision of a user-friendly computer in an era dominated by command lines. Atkinson was also a founding member of the original Macintosh team and later became a pioneer in software photography apps like HyperCard. His visionary thinking went beyond design. He helped instill a culture of simplicity and creativity that Apple still honors. Tributes have poured in from the tech leaders across the globe, including Tim Cook, who called him one of the true architects of personal computing. Atkinson's legacy reminds us that behind every powerful tech product is a human who dared to imagine differently. Well, this was all for the bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all your updates.